channel. So the unit I'm wearing today is from Nadula Hair, you guys. It's their npart Kinky straight wig. The hair is phenomenal, it's beautiful, and the length that I'm wearing is 24 inches. I think this is finally the first npart wig that I think I executed very well. And nparts are easy. Like, headband wigs are first as far as like difficulty. Anybody can throw on a headband wig, but with nparts, it's all about your blending. It's all about the texture of the hair. It's all about the texture of your hair. Anyways, you guys, this is how it came out. I'm going to show you guys how I installed it very easily and how I think I finally got my hair to blend well with a npart wig. I struggle with them sometimes with like my leave out and my type 4 hair, and really not want to put a lot of heat in my head as well, but I think this one came out really cute and I'm super happy with it. This of course is a great protective style option. Honestly, like for real, I might be rocking this way more than I have probably ever rocked a npart wig. You're gonna see me use heat in this tutorial really quickly. You don't have to use heat to stretch your hair. There are other ways to get it straight without using heat. I think Nadula did a great job with the texture of this hair, the softness. It's so soft, so lightweight, so fluffy. It moves, it held the curl really well. I'm in love with it. Anyways, you guys, let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. All right, you guys, so starting with laying my edges, I'm using my gummy edge gel. It's the blue one. I typically use the red as well, and this is my Goldwell Blue Legume Jam. This combination for me will keep my edges nice, slicked, and laid all day long, and depending on what I'm doing, it will stay until the next day. So I highly recommend these two products if you're looking for a pretty good edge control. And just to help you guys out even further, I always start with like whatever gel I'm using. So I'm doing my blue gummy gel, and then on top of that, I put the blue legume. The blue legume jam really just holds everything in place and is my final step when laying my edges. All right, you guys, so after I've let my edges kind of lay for about 10 minutes, I take my wig out, and this is what we are working with. So right when you get a npart wig, if you haven't had one before, it's gonna come like this with these two little strings attached to it. Just go ahead and snip those off, and your npart should look like this. All the combs you'll need, and of course take that lace off at the bottom. So when applying a npart wig, I love having an anchor, so an anchor braid, because my hair is not very thick at the top. So having a braid just makes things so much easier, and it helps the wig lay flatter. I've done this without a braid. I've done npart wigs, I've done them with them, and I guarantee having a braid just, I don't know, something about it, it just keeps it in place, and you don't have to widen that U so much, and you don't have to have a lot of leave out either. So here I just went on ahead and, you know, slid the combs in so they're nice and comfortable, and now I'm just gonna take my crock flat iron and my little paddle brush, and I'm just gonna start flat ironing this hair. I believe I have my flat iron on either 410 or 450, I can't remember, but this unit took to heat very well. I tried my best to only just do one pass, and that was really all it needed. You do not need to go like super hard on this hair. You still want to be able to have those kinks down the line. So just make sure you're doing what you need to do to increase the, you know, longevity of this unit. And, you know, if you do use too much heat, I promise you the kinks will go away and it won't end up mimicking your type 4 hair as much as it could be. So just be easy when it comes to the heat with this kind of hair. So just showing you guys right here the side that's flat iron, and I'm gonna go and do it the right side. And I'm showing you the top because the top of this npart made all the difference for me. It was just so flat against my braid. Typically that spot, like the npart, like the wefted part, tends to stick out, and I just absolutely hate it. You can see it through my hair, and this one, it ended up blending very well. So I just applied the Kenra heat protectant, and I'm gonna do one pass on my natural hair. And I did give myself a little space. I didn't get like like really at the roots, like at my scalp with my flat iron. I realized at the U part, like where my leave out is, if I do not focus on making that part so straight at the roots, it actually ends up blending much better, and you can't really, it kind of disguises the wefts underneath where the U part starts. So yeah, so just a little tip from me to you, and then I just put a few layers right in the front. So here is the final look if you wanted to wear it straight, just giving you a little up close and personal so you can see exactly how it came out, which I absolutely love. I do also want to point out that this unit was a little bit big for me. I did have some like space in the back, just to put that out there. So if you have a small head, I'm not sure if this comes in small, medium, or large, make sure you get the smallest size, because I typically wear a large when it comes to wigs, but I did have a good amount of space in the back of my head. So yeah, anyways, just using my wand curler. I will link the brand. It's the Bionic. I got it off of Ulta down below for you guys. The curls came out beautifully, and I just kind of loosened them up with my hands, and these are your results. So I'm going to show you guys the length on me. I am about 5'3", if that helps you. I realize I never stand up and show you guys the actual length, but that's the back, how it's looking. If you guys have any questions, comments, please put them down below. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.